Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working on your LG Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new soundbar or for some reason your LG Smart TV is not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix the sound? Now there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this, guys. The first way is that you could actually unplug your LG Smart TV, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. As obvious as it sounds, you could actually make sure that your sound bar is also plugged in. But if everything looks good, let's go ahead and move on to the next solution. What you can do next is that if you go into the upper left hand corner and click on the gear icon, then scroll down to where it says sound output, try experimenting with different sound outputs to see which one actually gets sound. Perhaps maybe you connected your soundbar to the wrong sound output and that might be the reason why. If you don't see sound output here, you could also scroll to the upper left hand corner and click on the gear icon again. And then from here, scroll down to where it says sound and then scroll down to where it says sound out. Cycle between different devices in order to see what works here. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix sound not working on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.